Hello friends, subscribe my channel QCard. Describe a tall building in your city you like or dislike. You should say where it is, what it is used for, what it look like, and explain why you like or dislike it. Let's start. I am having the habit of roaming around the city with my bike in my leisure time. When I was riding my bike on Mahabalipuram road, I saw a beautiful building which made me stop and watch it. The building name House of Hiranandani, which is situated in old Mahabalipuram road, Agutter in South Chennai. I googled about the place out of my curiosity and I found that this resident building contained 2100 apartments and there is even a school in this complex. It just made me wonder, and it is a fact that as a Chennai native, I found this beautiful complex only now. Simply, it has been a visual treat for me, and it looks so magnificent. It is said that building height is 528 feet and its architecture style is neoclassical. The buildings are made with the bricks and stone block marble, and you can find pillar in this complex. This design of the building compressing geometric lines and order. It is a well constructed and aesthetically pleasing the building. First and foremost, I like it. It even inspired me creatively to create some new work, and also as a result of the googling about this, I learned several things about the architecture structures and style. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it and must share this video.